Ever see a huge building go up crazy fast? Today, we're diving into the secrets behind it.
Okay, so the secret isn't just about working harder, it's a whole new way of thinking.
It's all about prefabrication. Basically, building moves from a messy site into a clean, controlled factory.
Right? It's like a massive building kit. Pieces show up on site, totally ready to be assembled.
So you've got two types. Open systems are like Legos, with standard parts. Closed systems are custom built. And prefab isn't just one thing. It scales up from small parts all the way to entire rooms.
This is the final boss of prefab. Whole rooms, like kitchens, just get plugged into the structure.
But to hit what we call hyperspeed, builders need even more advanced systems, especially for mass housing.
So let's talk about MIVN. It's basically a giant, reusable mold for an entire level of a building.
And here's the catch. You get insane speed, for sure, but you lose all flexibility down the road.
Then there's lift slab construction. You pour every floor on the ground, then just lift them up.
Tilt-up is pretty similar. Giant walls are cast flat on the floor, then tilted into place.
But all this leads to a huge problem, the Achilles heel of prefab. How do you connect it all?
It all comes down to the joints. They're absolutely critical for the building's strength and safety.
Okay, so why does any of this matter to you?
Well, it totally changes how you can live inside color.
So what's the single biggest downside of living in a MIVN-built home? The answer might surprise you.
It's a complete lack of flexibility. The whole thing is one solid piece. You can't just knock down a wall.
So here's the big question. As our cities build this fast, are we trading future freedom for speed today?